Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So today we are going to complete the current affairs for the month of November 2025. In this video we are going to cover current affairs from November 1st to December 1st. Now this video is going to be very much helpful for those who are preparing particularly for the NTPC examination, for those who are giving the RRB Group D examination. So let us start the today's video. Also this video is helpful for the CGL candidates and SSC candidates as well. A total of 250 MCQs के थ्रू सारे नवंबर के करंट अफेयर्स इस वीडियो में कंप्लीट आपको मिलेंगे. In addition to that, I have also added the static GK snippets with the questions which will help you to revise the static GK का portion. So let us start our today's video with our first question. Now, which company launched Veer, India's first electric vehicle specifically designed for defense operation? Now, this has been designed by Pravag Dynamics. It is a Bengaluru-based startup, okay, which is known for developing electric vehicles and energy solutions. Next question is, which state topped the list of India's dirtiest city in the Swachh Sarvekshan 2025 results? So, Tamil Nadu, Madurai. This name is important. You need to know this. Tamil Nadu, Madurai. Madurai in Tamil Nadu is the dirtiest city in the Swachh Sarvekshan. Now, it is important for you to know that स्वच्छ सर्वेक्षण में इंदौर जो है it retains the top spot. इसके अलावा सूरत is also in the cleanest city. ठीक है. Next is, which global financial platform became the first digital payment wallet to be integrated into ChatGPT? Now this is PayPal. This is also important. नेक्स्ट इज यू कैन रीड दिस एक्सप्लेनेशन पार्ट पीडीएफ में आप देख सकते हो. पीडीएफ अगर चाहिए तो यू कैन ज्वाइन द टेलीग्राम चैनल. आई अपलोड दिस पीडीएफ देयर ओनली. ठीक है. नाउ ओपन एआई के बारे में यू नीड टू नो दैट सीईओ इज सैम अल्टमैन एंड इट वाज फाउंडेड इन 2015. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, who became India's 90th chess grandmaster after securing the final norm at the Riga International Chess Festival? So Ilam Parthi AR has done it. He is 16 years old. Now, important point is India's first grandmaster is Vishwanathan Anand and he became first grandmaster in the year 1988. ये स्टैटिक पॉइंट्स भी आपके लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो इसको भी आप रिवाइज करना. इस वीडियो को अगर आप 2 to 3 times देख लोगे तो most of your current affairs will be completed. The FIDE Chess World Cup trophy has been officially renamed in honor of which legendary player? So this is Vishwanathan Anand. He is the 5-time champion, and you also need to know that FIDE, that is the International Chess Federation, it is headquartered in Lausanne, Switzerland. Next is, which Indian city was designated as the creative city of gastronomy by UNESCO in November? Now this is Lucknow. Okay. Now creative city of gastronomy is Lucknow, and it is the second Indian city after Hyderabad to receive this tag. नेक्स्ट इज यूनेस्को क्रिएटिव सिटीज नेटवर्क्स. ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए कि क्रिएटिव सिटी नेटवर्क्स इज ऑफ यूनेस्को विच वॉज क्रिएटेड इन द ईयर 2004. नेक्स्ट इज, विच कंट्री लॉन्च द न्यूक्लियर सबमरीन खबारवोस्क डिजाइन टू कैरी द पोसाइडन डूम्सडे ड्रोन? So this is none other than Russia. Now this Khabarovsk nuclear submarine, it is named as Poseidon. ये important है आपके लिए. Okay. Next देखते हैं. Which country became the first in the world to enforce a generational tobacco ban? This is Maldives. Now Maldives की capital Male है and the currency of Maldives is Maldivian rupiah. Next is, which Indian state became the first to implement the amended BharatNet scheme statewide? This is Punjab. Next is, what is BharatNet project? Now it is a project to provide affordable broadband connectivity to all Gram Panchayats in India. ये भी important है. You need to know this. Next is, who was conferred with the Bhupen Hazarika Award by the Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia in November? Now this has been given to icons from the northeast. Now If I talk about Bhupen Hazarika, he is a legendary musician and filmmaker from Assam and is often called as the Bard of Brahmaputra. He was also awarded the Bharat Ratna posthumously in 2019. Next is which organization was ranked as world's number one cooperative by GDP per capita in the World Cooperative Monitor? This is Amul. Okay. Now, Amul is headquartered in Anand, Gujarat, and it also led the White Revolution in India. Next is which country has emerged as the world's first cashless society with only 10% of the purchases made in cash? This is Sweden. Next is a Swish. What is Swish? It is a mobile payment system which was launched in Sweden in 2012 by 6 Swedish banks. Next is who topped the Hurun India Philanthropy List 2025 for the third consecutive year? This is Shiv Nadar. Now, HCL Technologies, it is a leading IT service company founded in 1976. Which district was declared India's most populated district in 2025, surpassing Thane? This is North 24 Pargana, which is situated in West Bengal. Okay. Now, census of India से related आप fact जान लो कि the decennial census is conducted by the Office of Registrar General and the Census Commissioner under the Ministry of Home Affairs. Now you need to know census of India Ministry of Home Affairs के under conduct होता है. What is the name of India's first homegrown CAR T cell therapy launched by PM Modi? So the name is NextCAR 19. Now, CAR T therapy is a type of treatment in which patient T cells are changed in laboratory so that they can attack the cancer cells. Now, which Indian state became the first to introduce paid menstrual leave for employees? It is Karnataka. Now, Article 42 यहाँ पे important है, which is a directive principle of state policy that requires the state to make provision for just and humane conditions of work and maternity relief. Which Chinese aircraft carrier is first to be equipped with the electromagnetic catapult system? Now the name is Fujian. Okay. Now what is EMALS? This is an electromagnetic aircraft launch system that uses the electromagnetic energy to launch aircraft. According to the WHO World Bank assessment, which scheme was recognized as the world's number one health assurance scheme? This question is important. करेक्ट आंसर है हमारा आयुष्मान भारत. ठीक है. नाउ आयुष्मान भारत इट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन द ईयर 2018 to cover the insurance coverage of 10 lakh per family for secondary and tertiary care. Which Indian team won the ICC Women's Cricket World Cup 2025? This is India. ICC के बारे में बताऊं अगर तो हेडक्वार्टर ICC का दुबई में है which is in UAE. Next is where was the 2025 APEC summit held? It was held in Seoul, South Korea. The theme of the summit was building a resilient, inclusive and sustainable future for all. APEC की बात करूं तो APEC is Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation which is an intergovernmental forum जिसमें 21 members हैं पैसिफिक ओशंस के अराउंड 21 member countries इसमें included हैं. Which lake in Bihar was declared as India's newest Ramsar site? This is the Gogabeel Lake. And what is Ramsar Convention? Now this is an international treaty for the conservation, sustainable use of wetland which was signed in 1971 in Ramsar, Iran. Next is which country achieved the world's first thorium to uranium fuel conversion in a molten salt reactor? This is China. इम्पॉर्टेंट हो सकता है. यू नीड टू नो दिस. ओके. थोरियम के बारे में अगर बात करें तो इट इज़ इंडिया हैज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट रिजर्व्स ऑफ थोरियम विच इज़ प्राइमरली फाउंड इन द मोनाजाइट सैंड्स इन केरला. विच कंपनी conducted India's maiden private rocket launch with the Vikram 2? Now this is the Skyroot Aerospace. B is the correct answer. What is INSPACey? Now the Indian National Space Promotion and Authorization Center which acts as a regulatory body for private space activities in India. नेक्स्ट है विच इंडियन टीनेजर वॉन 2 गोल्ड मेडल एट द एशियन यूथ गेम्स 2025? रितिका सिंह। नाउ एशियन यूथ गेम्स की मैं बात करूं तो दिस इज अ मल्टी स्पोर्ट इवेंट विच इज हेल्ड एवरी 4 years फॉर एथलीट्स एज्ड 14 to 17. Next is which spiritual leader was awarded the World Leader for Peace and Security Award in London? This is Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. Now, Shri Shri Ravi Shankar is also the owner of the Art of Living, which is an NGO founded in the year 1981. Which word was named Collins Dictionary's Word of the Year 2025? This is vibe coding. Important hai, you need to know this. Now, Collins Dictionary, this is published by HarperCollins in Glasgow, Scotland. Who became the Virginia's Indian American and Muslim LG? This is Ghazala Hashmi. Next is what is the name of Google's project to launch AI data centers in space? Important है ये. This is Project Suncatcher. Next है a commemorative coin of ₹50 was released to mark the golden jubilee of which PSU? NHPC is the correct answer. ठीक है. Now NHPC was formerly known as the National Hydroelectric Power Corporation and it was established in the year 1975. Which Central Asian country was hinted by Donald Trump to potentially join the Abraham Accords? Kazakhstan is the correct answer. Now, what is Abraham Accords? Now, this is a series of joint normalization statement initially between Israel, UAE and Bahrain. Now, आपको पता होगा कि Israel has problem with all the Arab country and the Arab countries has also problem with Israel. So, this Abraham Accord was there to maintain a balance and maintain relationship between Israel and the Arab countries. ठीक है. Next is India celebrated 100 years of which sports federation? Indian Hockey Federation. Now Indian hockey के बारे में you need to know that Indian hockey has won 8 Olympics. ठीक है. Last one in 1980 Moscow. Who is the author of the Lithuanian novel The Last Day, translated into Hindi as Antim Din by Sahitya Academy? This is Antas Kema. Next is which Chinese mission launched the country's youngest astronaut to the Tiangong space station? Obviously this is China. ठीक है. Shenzhou 21. Now what is Tiangong? Tiangong is the space station of China, which is China's permanent space station. The Indian Army conducted exercise Vayu Samanvay in which sector? Desert sector में ये exercise conduct हुई थी. साउदर्न वेस्टर्न कमांड का हेडक्वार्टर जयपुर में है. ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. डिटेल में अगर आपको पढ़ना है तो यू कैन रीड दिस फ्रॉम द PDF. नाउ विच कंट्री सेंड द ह्यूमैनिटेरियन एड टू जमाइका एंड क्यूबा आफ्टर हरिकेन मेलिसा? इंडिया हैज सेंड दिस. ठीक है. आरोग्य मैत्री क्यूब के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. इंडिया ने यूक्रेन को भी सेंड किया था. ठीक है. आरोग्य मैत्री क्यूब इज वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट पोर्टेबल डिजास्टर हॉस्पिटल विच इज डेवलप्ड by India under Project Bhishma. Okay. Now, next is who received the Manohar Parrikar Yuva Scientist Award of 2025? This is Dr. Sai Gautam Gopi Krishnan. Next is which state launched Operation Weed Out to combat narcotics cultivation? This is India has launched this. NCB ने लॉन्च किया है. That is the Narcotics Control Bureau, which is the nodal drug agency for drug law enforcement and it is also an intelligence agency. Now next is according to Global Climate Risk Index of 2025, what is India's new rank? India's new rank is 12th. ठीक है. जर्मन वॉच रिलीज करता है ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट रिस्क इंडेक्स. ये भी आपको पता होना चाहिए. Next is which organization instituted the National Gopal Ratna Awards? This is Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairying. राष्ट्रीय गोकुल मिशन ये UPSC में भी पूछा था तो you need to know about this. This is a government scheme for conservation and development of indigenous bovines and breeds. Which Indian state crossed the 1 gigawatt of residential rooftop solar capacity under PM Surya Ghar scheme? This is Uttar Pradesh. Okay. If I talk about the PM Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana, this is a scheme which is launched to provide free electricity to household via rooftop solar panels. Next is who became the first Indian to lead the organization internationally des Constructeurs Automobiles OICA. Now, because he is the first Indian, you need to know this. Salesh Chandra is the correct answer. Now, OICA, this was founded in Paris in the year 1919. Which country launched the Arctic Express shipping route to Europe to reduce the transit time? China has launched this. ठीक है, अगर अब मैं बात करूं नॉर्थ सी रूट की, तो दिस इज अ शिपिंग रूट ऑफिशियली डिफाइंड बाय द रशियन लेजिस्लेशन, okay, that runs along the Russian Arctic coast. Next is which Indian Navy ship arrived in Mozambique for maritime cooperation in November 2025? This is INS Savitri. Now this has been done under the Sagar initiative. Sagar initiative का full form is important, that is security and growth for all in the region. Who was awarded the 2025 Booker Prize for the novel Flesh? David Cizale. Next is which state passed a bill to ban the polygamy in November 2025? असम ने लॉ पास किया है. आर्टिकल 45 यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट है, विच इज कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल आर्टिकल, यूनिफॉर्म सिविल कोड से रिलेटेड है, एंड दिस इज अ डायरेक्टिव प्रिंसिपल ऑफ स्टेट पॉलिसी. Next is which Indian city was declared India's first integrated financial city? This is the gift city. Sorry, this is the Amravati. Okay. Now Amravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh and it is located on the banks of river Krishna. What was the theme of the 30th CII Partnership Summit held in Visakhapatnam? So this was collaboration for a sustainable and resilient global growth. Next is which country was designated as a major non-NATO ally by US in 2025? This is Saudi Arabia. What is MNNA? This is a designation that is given by the US government to the close allies that have strategic working relationship with US, but they are not the member of NATO. Who won the rapid medal in the men's 25-meter rapid fire pistol event at the ISSA World Championship 2025? This is Anish Bhanwala. No. Which Indian state inaugurated the country's first Ramayan theme park? This is Goa. This is a very important question. ठीक है, PM Modi inaugurated the 77-foot statue of Lord Rama in Goa. And Goa is also the smallest state by area and its capital is Panji. Center notified new deep sea fishing rules for the India's exclusive economic zone. Under these rules, which entity is prohibited from operating in the Indian waters? This is foreign fishing vessels are not permitted. Now you need to know about this exclusive economic zone. Now this is an area of the sea in which a sovereign state, for example like India, has the special rights regarding the exploration and use of marine resources extending 200 nautical miles from the coast. Now this particular point is important, that the exclusive economic zone extends till 200 nautical miles. Which Indian city was ranked as Asia's happiest city in the World Happiness Index of 2025 Asian Cities Edition? This is Mumbai. The static points, you can read it from the PDF. The PDF is uploaded on the Telegram channel. ठीक है, वहाँ से आप पढ़ सकते हैं static points को. बाकी जो भी static points होंगे, I will make you revise in this video only. Which organization criticized the WHO FCTC COP11 for excluding the tobacco farmers from policy discussions? This is the FIFA. Okay. WHO FCTC is the first international treaty negotiated under the auspices of the World Health Organization, which was adopted in the year 2003. India has launched its first tribal focused genome project to map the genetic diversity of which group? So this is the scheduled tribes which are spread across the 50 groups. आर्टिकल 342 यहाँ पे इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. which is the Constitution of India prescribes the procedure for the notifying of the scheduled tribes. Between 2003, 23 and 25, the RBI repatriated over 100 tons of gold from which overseas institution to the domestic vaults. This is from the Bank of England. Okay, RBI का headquarter है मुंबई and शक्तिकांत दास is not the RBI governor. कौन है यहाँ पे wrongly mentioned हो गया है. कौन है हमारे RBI governor? This you can tell me in the comment section. The COP30 2025 UN Climate Change Conference is scheduled to be held in which Brazilian city? Belém is the correct answer. Amazon rainforest, these are known as the lungs of the earth. Majority of this Amazon forest are in Brazil. Important point hai. Next is according to the G20 report on global wealth inequalities 2025, by what percentage did the wealth of India's top 1% grow since 2000? So 62%. G20 क्या है? G20 is an intergovernmental forum comprising 19 countries, European Union and the African Union. Which Indian shooter won a silver medal in the men's 25-meter rapid fire pistol at the ISSF World Championship 2025 in Cairo? This is Anish Bhanwala. We have already seen this. Next is, which state became the first in India to pass a specific bill explicitly banning the polygamy across all communities? This is Assam. Next is, in the Huron Research Institute report, which Indian ranked city was ranked third in the number of billionaires? This is Mumbai. Okay. Next is, a devastating blast occurred near which iconic metro station in Old Delhi? Red Fort के पास अभी blast हुआ था. Now Red Fort, you need to know, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site which was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Next is, the Delhi Declaration 2025 adopted at the Co-op Kumbh focuses on the reforms in the urban cooperative banks. This is important. Okay. Next is, David Cesale won the 2025 Booker Prize for which novel? This is Flesh. Very very important. ठीक है, बहुत important है ये आपके लिए. Next is, which country became the first South Asian nation to accede to the United Nations Water Convention? This is Bangladesh. This is also important. Okay. Now, the second WHO Global Summit on Traditional Medicine is scheduled to be held in which city? So it will be held in New Delhi, Bharat Mandapam. Now, Ministry of Ayush, it was established in 2014 to promote Ayurveda, Yoga, Naturopathy, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy. Next is, InSpace E and SIDBI launched a venture capital fund of what amount to support the private space sector? 1000 crore. Next is, the Bharat Sri Lanka Sanskrit Mahotsav was inaugurated at which university? So, University of Colombo. Next is, Tata Power Solar announced plans to set up India's largest solar wafers and ingots plant in which state? Tamil Nadu. This is also an important question. Okay, details are given in the PDF. You can see that from there only. Next is, what is India rank in the Global Climate Risk Index of 2025 released by German Watch? 12th rank है India का. Next है, who became the first Indian to be elected as the president of the organization internationally des constructeurs automobiles? So this is Sailesh Chandra. Next is, which state won the first prize in the best state category in the 6th National Water Awards? This is Rajasthan. Next है, the controversy over the national anthem Jan Gan Man relates to a misconception that it was written to welcome which British monarch? King George the Fifth. ठीक है, national anthem Jan Gan Man was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 24, 1950. This is also important. Okay. Next is, Exercise Winbacks is a bilateral army exercise between India and Vietnam. नाउ वियतनाम का कैपिटल है हनोई एंड द करेंसी इज वियतनामीज डोंग. Which Indian naval ship arrived in Mozambique to strengthen the maritime cooperation अगर सागर विजन. दिस इज INS सावित्री. कुछ क्वेश्चंस बीच में मैंने रिपीट कर दिए हैं ताकि आपका रिवीजन हो जाए, बार बार आपको वीडियो देखने की जरूरत ना पड़े. ठीक है. सागर फुल फॉर्म मैंने बताया था, याद रखना आप. Which state became the first fully to implement the amended BharatNet scheme across the entire territory? This is Punjab. Next is Kunchala Kavalla Reddy, selected for the astronaut training, hails from which Indian state? He is from Andhra Pradesh. Next is, what is the motto and the new logo launched by the Maharashtra Agriculture Department? This is Shashwat Sheti Samruddh Shetkari. Next is, India is set to receive a batch of 8 cheetahs from which African nation in December 2025? So this is Botswana. Project Cheetah के बारे में you need to know that is the world's first intercontinental large wild carnivore translocation project. Okay. Now next is, which country joined the UNESCO Man and Biosphere Council for the term of 2025 to 2029? This is Oman. Okay, Man and Biosphere Program. This was launched by UNESCO in the year 1971. This also you need to know. Next is, which country announced the world's first green fuel levy on air passenger? This is Singapore. This is an important question. Okay. Next is, the Bal Sahitya Puraskar is awarded by which institution? Sahitya Academy. Sahitya Academy is India's National Academy of Letters. Which was established in the year 1954. Now next is, who among the following announced as a Padma Vibhushan recipient in the Padma list of 2026? This is Abhinav Bindra. Padma Vibhushan is the second highest civilian award of Republic of India. Important है, you need to know this. सबसे highest civilian award कौन सा है? This you will tell me in the comment section. Okay. Now next देखते हैं. जनजातीय गौरव दिवस marks the birth anniversary of which tribal leader? This is Birsa Munda. Now Ulugan Revolt, this question was asked in the UPSC exam as well. Ulugan Revolt was the movement which was led by Birsa Munda in the Chota Nagpur region. Now where did Indian Air Force inaugurate the Neoma Air Base? Eastern Ladakh. Now which political alliance won the Bihar Assembly elections of 2025? This is National Democratic Alliance. Now India and Nepal signed a letter of exchange to update which agreement? Railway Service Agreement. Important हो जाता है ये, you need to know this. Next है, Pakistan 27th Constitutional Amendment Bill enhances the authority of which official? So Chief of the Army Staff. पाकिस्तान का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अडॉप्ट हुआ था 1973 में. ये भी आप ध्यान में रख सकते हो. कभी वेगली रिप्रेजेंटेड क्वेश्चंस अगर आ जाएं तो you will be able to answer this. The renowned environmentalist Salumadara Thimaka was known for planting which types of trees? So banyan tree is the correct answer. And she received the Padma Award, Padma Shri, in the year 2019. Which company delivered the human-rated Vikas engine to ISRO for the Gaganyaan mission? So this was delivered by Godrej Aerospace. Okay. Next is, which two countries will jointly host the 2026 FIH Hockey World Cup? Belgium and Netherlands will host this. Next is, traditional Lepcha musical instruments which receive the GI tag belong to which state? Belongs to Sikkim. Next is, the 30th CII Partnership Summit was held in which city? Vishakhapatnam. Next is, India emerged as the world's 6th largest patent filer in 2025. Important data है, important fact है, you need to know about this. Now, WIPO के बारे में you need to know. WIPO is World Intellectual Property Organization and its headquartered in Geneva. Which beach in Odisha received the Blue Flag certification for the 7th consecutive year? This was the Golden Beach of Puri. Next is the National Migration Survey will specifically analyze the underreported aspect of migration of the female migration for work. Next is what is the target year for India to achieve the 55% female workforce participation 2030? Also, you need to know gender 5 as sorry, the Sustainable Development Goal 5 is related to gender equality. The Supreme Court directed the Jharkhand government to declare which forest as a wildlife sanctuary. This is the Saranda Wildlife Sanctuary. Now, the Saranda forest, this is also known as the land of 700 hills, and it is located in the West Singhbum district. India's first drone city foundation stone was laid in which state? Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Kurnool में है specifically है. Which film festival had France as the country of focus 2025? This was the International Film Festival of Goa. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं अंबाजी marble which received the GI tag is from the state of Gujarat. Now, which country was the country of focus at the 56th International Film Festival held in Goa? This was France. अभी देखा हमने. नेक्स्ट है हमारा. नो ये भी पता होना चाहिए आपको. इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल इट वाज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इन 1952 एंड गोवा में इट इज बीइंग कंडक्टेड सिंस 2004. नेक्स्ट है विच फॉर्मर प्राइम मिनिस्टर ऑफ बांग्लादेश वाज सेंटेंस्ड टू डेथ बाय स्पेशल ट्राइब्यूनल इन नवंबर 2025. दिस इज शेख हसीना. ठीक है. बांग्लादेश लिबरेशन वॉर you need to know about. It was fought in the year 1971 which led to the independence of Bangladesh from Pakistan, and Sheikh Mujibur Rahman is considered as the founding father of the Bangladeshi liberation movement. Next is exercise Garud 2025 is a bilateral air exercise between India and which country? Between India and France. ठीक है. Now Rafale jets which has been manufactured by France. ठीक है. कौन सी कंपनी ने मैन्युफैक्चर किया है? Dassault Aviation ने. This name you need to know. According to the WHO Global TB report of 2025, India achieved a reduction of nearly 16% of cases of TB between 2015 and 2024. Mycobacterium tuberculosis is causing TB. ठीक है. इट प्राइमरली इफेक्ट्स द लंग्स एंड ये जो टीबी है दिस इज कॉज्ड बाय अ बैक्टीरिया. ओके. नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. इसरो हैज अनाउंस दैट इट्स लूनर सैंपल रिटर्न मिशन चंद्रयान 4 इज शेड्यूल्ड टू लॉन्च इन 2028. ओके. चंद्रयान 3 के बारे में बात करूं तो दिस वाज लॉन्च्ड इन जुलाई 2023 एंड इट इज मेड इन इंडिया फर्स्ट कंट्री. नाउ चंद्रयान 3 जो था it has made India the first country to soft land near the south side of the moon. Okay. Now, next is who was conferred the Maulana Abul Kalam Azad National Award 2025 for contribution to the education. This was Muhammad Latif Khan. Now, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, he was India's first Minister of Education. November 11th is also celebrated as National Education Day in respect of Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, who became the second Indian cricketer after Kapil Dev to achieve double of 4,000 runs and 300 wickets in Test cricket. This is Ravindra Jadeja. Now Kapil Dev, he led India to win its first World Cup in the year 1983. Next is, according to the Ministry of Labour and CMIE, what was India's unemployment rate in October? 5.2% unemployment rate था. CMIE is the Center for Monitoring Indian Economy, headquartered in Mumbai. Okay. Next is Madhvi Hidma, who was killed in a security operation in November 2025, was a top commander of which insurgent group? Important है, पूछ सकते हैं. So he belonged to CPI Maoist. रेड कॉरिडोर के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. These are the Naxal affected states. Okay. Eastern, central, southern parts हैं, which includes the parts of Chhattisgarh, some parts of Telangana. Okay. Next है exercise Ajay Warrior 25 is a joint military exercise between India and United Kingdom. Umroi is a very important place which is related to the defense sector. कहाँ पे located है? मेघालय में. And ये exercise वहीं पे हुई है. Okay. Next is who is the chairman of the 16th Finance Commission? This is Arvind Pangaria. Article 280 के under the article is related to the constitution of the Finance Commission by the President every 5 years. Important article है, you need to know this. Next देखते हैं. Which Hollywood actor received an honorary Oscars at the 2025 Governors Award? This is Tom Cruise. Next is who received the Australia's prestigious The Dawn Award for an exceptional 2025 Formula One season? This is Oscar Piastri. Now the Dawn Award, it was named after legendary cricketer Sir Don Bradman and was awarded the Sports Australia Hall of Fame. Thotha Tharani was conferred with which prestigious French award in November 2025? This was Chevalier des Ordres des Arts des Lettres. इसके पहले पायल कपाडिया जी को भी ये मिला था. ओके. इस बार it has been given to Thotha Tharani. Now he is a Padma Shri awardee known for his work in the set design for films such as Nayakan and Shivaji. Next, what is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index of 2026? 23rd rank है इंडिया का. Now, Paris Agreement के बारे में आपको पता होना चाहिए. This Paris Agreement is related to the environment. ठीक है. It is a legally binding international treaty on climate change adopted in 2015 to limit the global warming well below 2 degrees Celsius. Now, which national plan was launched by the Union Health Minister JP Nadda to combat drug-resistant infection? This is very, very important. So, this was the National Action Plan on the AMRs, that is the antimicrobial resistance. अब antimicrobial resistance क्या होता है? It occurs when the bacteria, viruses, fungi and parasite change over time and do not respond to the medicines taken. ठीक है. जो भी आप antibiotics लेते हो, when these bacteria, viruses, fungi, parasites, these develop resistance over these medicines, तो ये medicines जो हैं वो काम नहीं करती बॉडी पे, and then it leads to very serious issues. ठीक है. फिर कोई भी मेडिसिन काम नहीं करती है बॉडी पे एंड वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट सिचुएशन होती है टू क्योर दैट डिजीज. ओके. लेट्स नाउ proceed. Which word was named the Cambridge Dictionary Word of the Year 2025? This was parasocial. Important है ये. Okay. Next देखते हैं. What is the name of Google's most intelligent AI model launched in November 2025? This is Gemini 3. Gemini 3. Sundar Pichai is the current CEO of Alphabet and Alphabet is the subsidiary of Google. Google का AI model है Gemini. I hope अब confusion नहीं होगा and आप समझ जाओगे इसको. Next is which two African nations were selected to jointly host the 2026 ICC Under-19 Men's Cricket World Cup? This is Zimbabwe and Namibia. ICC का headquarter is in Dubai. ठीक है, which is in UAE. Which brand reclaimed the top spot at the India's most valuable brand in 2025? Kantar Brand C report. This is the HDFC Bank. B is the correct answer. Next is Nitish Kumar was sworn in as the Chief Minister of Bihar for the 10th consecutive time. Governor of Bihar. Who is the Governor of Bihar right now? Arif Muhammad Khan. ठीक है. Now next is which country was designated as a major non-NATO ally by US in the November? This we have seen. Saudi Arabia is correct. Okay. Next is who was awarded the Indira Gandhi Prize for Peace, Disarmament and Development in 2025? This is Mitchell Bachelet. ठीक है. इंदिरा गांधी पीस प्राइज was firstly it was awarded in the year 1986. Next, according to the WHO GLAS 2025 report, what proportion of bacterial infection in India were resistant to the common antibiotics? So every 1 in 3. Now, what is GLAS? GLAS stands for Global Antimicrobial Resistance and Use Surveillance System, which was launched by the WHO in 2015. Now, which country secured the hosting rights for the COP31 Climate Summit in 2026? It is Turkey. Okay. Now, the Supreme Court recalled its earlier judgment regarding which environmental regulation. This is the ex post facto environmental clearances. Article 137 is important, which is related to the Supreme Court of India. That is, this article grants the Supreme Court the power to review any judgment pronounced or order made by it. Now, next is India's first commercial PSLV rocket built by an industry consortium is set to launch with satellite. So, OceanSat. Next is who was crowned the Miss Universe 2025? It is Fatima Bosch. Next is now Miss Universe organization. This is headquartered in the New York City and Thailand. Next is the Supreme Court clarified that governors cannot use deemed assent for bills under which constitutional article. So it is under article 200. ठीक है. Article 200 में you need to know that it deals with the governor's power to assent to bills passed by the state legislature. Which island nation became the sixth full member of the Colombo Security Conclave? Correct answer is Seychelles. ठीक है. Now, Colombo Security Conclave, it was formed in 2011 as a trilateral maritime security grouping in India, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Next is which Indian Air Force aircraft crashed during the display at the Dubai Air Show in November 2025? It was HAL Tejas. Now, HAL Tejas is a single-engine delta-wing light multi-role fighter designed by the Aeronautics Development Agency for the Indian Air Force and the Indian Navy. Next is India signed the terms of reference to initiate the free trade agreement negotiation with which country in November? With Israel. Next is which country is building the world's first nuclear resistant artificial floating island? This is China and this is important as well. पूछ सकते हैं आपसे. Okay. Next is which tech billionaire surpassed Jeff Bezos to become the world's third richest person following the launch of Gemini 3? This is Larry Page. Now, Google was founded by Larry Page and Sergey Brin in 1998. They were PhD students from the Stanford University. Next is which country was ranked as the world's third largest humanitarian donor in 2025? So this is UAE. And first में क्या है? USA and EU. Next is India's foreign exchange reserve reached the all-time high of approximately $692 billion. Forex के components you need to know. Forex के components हमारे foreign currency assets, gold, special drawing rights and reserve transposition in the IMF, that is International Monetary Fund. India won a record number of 9 gold medals at the World Boxing Cup finals. Finals were held at Greater Noida. ठीक है. Nikhar Zareen is a prominent Indian boxer and multiple time world champion. Now, इस तरीके के क्वेश्चन हमसे पूछ सकता है. निखत जरीन रिसेंटली सीन इन न्यूज इज रिलेटेड टू, सो आपको पता होना चाहिए. शी इज अ इंडियन बॉक्सर. नेक्स्ट इज which tennis legend just a second. Which tennis legend was elected to the International Tennis Hall of the Fame in the first year of eligibility? This is Roger Federer. Now Roger Federer has won around 20 Grand Slam singles title. Next is which state police force achieved a 100% response rate to cyber fraud complaints in India? This is the Goa police. Now, a luxury real estate project named Shahrukh's by Danube was announced in which city? So this was announced in Dubai. Next is Justice Vikram Nath was appointed as the executive chairman of which legal body? NALSA. Important है ये बहुत ज़्यादा. Okay. Now NALSA के बारे में बात करें. So NALSA was formed under the Legal Services Authorities Act 1987 to provide free legal services to the weaker section of the society. Next है the proposed insurance laws bill seek to raise the FDI to 100%. Insurance sector में there has been a proposal to increase the FDI to 100%. Next is the Supreme Court struck down the provision of which act regarding the tenure and age of the tribunal members? This is the Tribunal Reforms Act of 2021. Tribunals क्या हैं? The tribunals are the quasi-judicial bodies which were established to adjudicate the disputes in specific areas. अब ये ट्राइब्यूनल्स जो हैं ये 42nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट से जो है वो इंट्रोड्यूस किए गए थे. नेक्स्ट इज हु रिसीव द रिसर्च कैटलिस्ट अवार्ड फ्रॉम द इंडियन स्कूल ऑफ बिजनेस? दिस इज अजीम प्रेमजी. अजीज प्रेमजी यू नो is the founder of the Wipro. Which IIM earned the prestigious AMBA accreditation in November 2025? So this was IIM Ranchi. The 4th edition of Kashi Tamil Sangamam is centered on which theme? So it was centered Learn Tamil, Tamil Kar Kalam. Okay. Now next is the Electricity Amendment Bill 2025 primarily aims to introduce what structural changes in distribution? So multiple licenses in the same area. इसको change करने का यहाँ पे provision है. Also you need to know electricity is a subject of the concurrent list. ठीक है. And list के बारे में बात करूँ तो these are mentioned under Schedule 7 of the Constitution. Next, who was sworn in as the 53rd Chief Justice of India? This is Justice Suryakant. Next is the proposed Constitution 131st Amendment Bill seeks to bring which UT under Union Territory under Article 240? This is Chandigarh. Okay, Article 240 आपको पता होना चाहिए. It is related to the powers of President to make regulation for certain Union Territories. At the G20 Johannesburg Summit, PM Modi proposed a global dash repository. So this is the Global Traditional Knowledge Repository. Next is which state government approved the creation of 3 new districts named Polavaram, Markapuram and Madnapalle? This is in Andhra Pradesh. Now Andhra Pradesh का bifurcation हुआ था 2014 में when Telangana was made as the new state of India. Exercise Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and Nepal. Which city hosted the G20 summit in 2025, marking the first time the summit was held in the African soil? So Johannesburg में G20 summit हुई थी. ये आपको पता होना चाहिए. This is very very important. Okay. Now you need to know यूरोपियन यूनियन तो मेंबर था ही G20 का. 2023 में अफ्रीकन यूनियन became the newest member of G20. Next is who was named the tournament ambassador for the ICC Men's T20 World Cup 2026? This is Rohit Sharma. Next is India defended its title in the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 by defeating which team in the finals? So the Indian team defeated Chinese Taipei. Okay. Next is what was the theme for the Constitution Day? संविधान दिवस celebration in 2025. So the theme was हमारा संविधान हमारा स्वाभिमान. 26th of November को हमारा Constitution Day is celebrated. Okay. Constitution was adopted on 26th November and it came into effect on 26th January 1950. Next है Map My India partnered with which company to integrate indigenous location intelligence tools into CRM software? This is Zoho. Now Zoho Corporation is headquartered in Chennai. आप ध्यान रख सकते हैं. फाउंडर का नेम है श्रीधर वेम्बू. This company has been in news recently, so you need to know about this. Okay. Next is the Sardar at 150 Unity March was flagged off from Karamsar to which destination? So this was flagged off from Karamsar to Statue of Unity in Kevadia. The world's tallest statue है हमारा Statue of Unity that is located on the Narmada River in Gujarat. PM Modi inaugurated India's first global aircraft engine MRO facility by which company? So this is the Safran company. Next is the Indian Meteorological Department issued an alert for which cyclone over the Bay of Bengal in late November 2025. It is cyclone Ditwa. Okay. Now Ditwa जो name है that has been given by Yemen. So ये important है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. Who is set to chair the International Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance in 2026? Gyanesh Kumar. Okay, he is the Chief Election Commissioner of India. Next is a deadly fire in Hong Kong in November 2025 intensified scrutiny on the use of which construction material? So bamboo scaffolding. Bamboo scaffolding is a traditional construction technique widely used in the Hong Kong due to its flexibility and cost effectiveness compared to steel. Next is PM Modi inaugurated India's first Ramayan theme park in which state? So in Goa it has been inaugurated. ठीक है, Goa was liberated from the Portuguese rule in 1961. The name of the operation was Operation Vijay. अगर मैं बात करूं ऑपरेशन पोलो की, so it was conducted in the year 1948 to liberate Hyderabad. ठीक है, गोवा का ऑपरेशन was Operation Vijay. Next is which state passed a strict prohibition of polygamy bill? असम ने पास किया है. This is important. You need to know this. Okay. Polygamy क्या होती है? Polygamy is the practice of having more than one spouse. The Hindu Marriage Act has prohibited the polygamy. According to the Asia Power Index of 2025, what is India's rank? India का यहाँ पे third rank है. Next is which city was officially declared India's first integrated financial city? So this is Amravati is the first integrated financial city. Which city surpassed Tokyo to become the world's most popular city according to the 2025 UN report? This is Jakarta. Okay. Now Nusantara जो है, Indonesia is building a new capital city and it will be known as Nusantara. Next is which country unveiled the Michelangelo Dome Advanced Defense System? Italy ने introduce किया है. Okay. Iron Dome यहाँ पे you need to know is a famous air defense system by Israel. And अगर मैं Sea Dome की बात करूँ, Iron Dome and Sea Dome these belongs to Israel only. Golden Dome की बात करूँ तो Golden Dome को recently announce किया था USA ने. Next is the Indian Global Forum launched a fund of what amount to help the Indian brands go global? So $250 million का ये fund है. Now unicorn के बारे में you need to know. Unicorn is a term which is used in the venture capital industry to describe a startup company with a value of over $1 billion. Next है who emerged as the costliest pick at the WPL 2026 auction with a 3.620 crore bid? This is Deepti Sharma. Now Gift City aims to position itself as India's equivalent to which global hub for onshoring intellectual property? So this is to tackle the Guernsey. Okay. Next, who was honored with the CNN News 18 Indian of the Year Award 2025 in the Outstanding Achievement category? This was given to Jay Shah. Next is what is the name of the Indian humanitarian mission launched to support Sri Lanka after cyclone Ditwa? This was Operation Sagar Bandhu and ये बहुत important है आपके लिए. This is very very important. Okay. Next is the Sujalam Bharat Summit of 2025 was organized by which ministry? So ये organize किया था Ministry of Jal Shakti ने. Okay. Now, the Tiwari Commission report released in 2025 investigates which historical event? This is Nelly massacre. Now, Nelly massacre, it took place during the Assam movement against the illegal immigrants. Okay, important है ये भी पता होना चाहिए आपको. Now, next is which new shipping route did China launch to cut transit time to Europe to 18 days? So, the name of this route is Arctic Express route, which is also known as the Northern Sea route. Okay. Now, the China-Europe Arctic Express via Northern Sea route reduces the transit time significantly compared to the Suez Canal route. Okay. Suez Canal के बारे में पता होना चाहिए. This connects the Mediterranean Sea to the Red Sea. This is also very, very important. Okay. Next है, as of October, India fiscal deficit reached what percentage of the full year target? So 52.6%. Next is, what is fiscal deficit? This is the difference between the total government expenditure and its total revenue. Okay. Next is the International Astronomical Union approved the naming of a crater on Mars on the which Indian geologist. So the name of the crater will be on the name of MS Shri Krishnan. Okay. Also ये important fact आपको पता होना चाहिए, MS Krishnan was the first Indian Director General of the Geological Survey of India. Next is, where will India's first National Coral Reef Research Institute NCRRI be established? So this will be established in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Okay. Coral reef क्या है? These coral reefs are also known as the rainforest of the sea. They are the diverse underwater ecosystem held together by calcium carbonate structure secreted by the corals. Next is, which state crossed the 1 gigawatt of residential rooftop solar capacity under PM Surya Ghar scheme in November 2025? This is Uttar Pradesh. Next है, what grade did the IMF assign to India's national accounts data quality in its 2025 review? So C यहाँ पे ग्रेड दिया गया है. Next is, Sri Lanka declared a state of emergency in late November 2025 due to cyclone Ditwa. Okay. Park Strait के बारे में भी आप यहीं पे समझ लो. This is a strait between Tamil Nadu and the Jaffna district of the northern province of Sri Lanka. Regarding the 8th pay commission, the government recently ruled out which proposal? So merger of DA with basic pay. इसको गवर्नमेंट ने रिमूव कर दिया. Who has been honored with the Dr. Paulos Mar Gregorius Award of 2025? It has been given to Tessie Thomas, who is also known as Missile Woman of India. Next is, India secured the highest number of votes in which category during the IMO Council elections? So, category B के अंदर India has secured the highest vote. IMO का headquarter लंदन में है in the United Kingdom. Next है, what term was named Oxford University Press Word of the Year 2025? So this is rage bait. Rage bait का मतलब क्या होता है? It refers to content crafted to elicit anger for engagement. Next is, which ship was received by Indian Navy as the 4th Nilgiri class frigate? This is the INS Taragiri. This was the 4th project under the Project 17A stealth frigate. Okay. Stealth frigate क्या होता है? This is a warship that is designed with features to reduce its visibility to radar, infrared and other detection methods. Who broke Shahid Afridi record for the most sixes in the one-day cricket history in December 2025? So this was Rohit Sharma. Virat Kohli surpassed which legend's record by scoring his 52nd one-day century? This was Sachin Tendulkar. Next is, which city was designated as the UNESCO Creative City of Gastronomy? We have seen this. लखनऊ को designate किया गया है. नेक्स्ट है a commemorative coin of what denomination was released to mark the 150 years of the Arya Samaj. So this was 150 rupee coin. Next is a commemorative coin of rupees 50 was released to mark the golden jubilee of which PSU? NHPC. Now, which country launched the nuclear submarine Khabarovsk aimed at deploying the Poseidon drone? So it has been released by Russia. Next, India secured a 6-month US sanction waiver for which strategic port? Chabahar port. Okay, Chabahar port is located in the southeastern Iran on the Gulf of Oman. Next is India won its first ever ICC Women's Cricket World Cup by defeating the South Africa cricket team. Shefali Verma was named as the player of the match in the finals. Which city topped the list of the dirtiest city in the Swachh Sarvekshan? This was Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Indore was the cleanest. Exercise Vayu Samanvay was conducted in which sector? This was conducted in the desert sector. Next is which country enforced the world's first generational tobacco ban? This was Maldives. I hope कि रिवीजन भी आपका हो रहा होगा यहाँ पे. Next is which scheme was recognized as world's #1 health assurance scheme by WHO and World Bank? This was the Ayushman Bharat scheme. Next is who retired from T20Is after playing 93 matches for New Zealand? This is Kane Williamson. Next है how many India won how many medals at the Asian Youth Games? 48 medals. Now Tashkent में these were held and Tashkent is the capital city of Uzbekistan. Okay. Now legendary actor Dharmendra who passed away recently was often referred to by which name? He-Man of the Bollywood. Also ये ध्यान रखना धर्मेंद्र was awarded India's third highest civilian honor that is the Padma Bhushan in the year 2012. According to the CGA data, India's physical deficit reached what percent of the full target by the October 2025? So 52.6%. Now Controller General of Accounts operates under the Department of Expenditure in the Ministry of Finance. Jay Shah was honored with the CNN News 18 Indian of the Year 2025 in which category? Outstanding Achievement category. ठीक है. ICC का headquarters दुबई में है in the United Arab Emirates. Which country launched the Arctic Express shipping route, reducing the transit time to Europe to roughly 18 days? China has launched this. बहुत important question है ये, ठीक है. इसको आप भूलेंगे नहीं, ठीक है. This is very important. Next is which state, Indian state has crossed the 1 gigawatt of residential rooftop solar capacity under the PM Surya Ghar scheme in November 2025. This is Uttar Pradesh. What grade did the IMF assign to the India's national accounts data quality in its 2025 review? So C grade has been given. A large crater on the Mars was recently named after which distinguished Indian geologist? This is MS Shri Krishnan. Again ये क्वेश्चन मैंने यहाँ पे रिपीट किया है. इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, आप भूलो ना इस वजह से, ठीक है. Now which term was named as the Oxford University Press Word of the Year 2025? This is rage bait. Who was honored with the Dr. Paulos Mar Gregorius Award of 2025? Tessie Thompson. Next is India was re-elected to the International Maritime Organization Council in the category B. Again, which ship was received by the Indian Navy as the 4th Nilgiri class frigate? This is the INS Taragiri. प्रोजेक्ट 17A के बारे में मैंने आपको बता दिया है, इंपॉर्टेंट है, आपको पता होना चाहिए. हु ब्रोक शाहिद अफरीदीज रिकॉर्ड? रोहित शर्मा ने ब्रेक किया है. वी हैव ऑलरेडी सीन दिस. Next is Virat Kohli surpassed the record of which legend by scoring 52nd ODI? So Sachin Tendulkar. एंड आज जब मैं वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर रहा हूँ इंदौर में साउथ अफ्रीका के साथ इंडिया का मैच हो रहा है. 53rd सेंचुरी भी विराट कोहली ने यहाँ पे लगा दी है। Which where will India's first national coral reef research institute be established? So ये अंडमान एंड निकोबार में it is going to be established. Now, Geological Survey of India is important. You need to know 1916 में it was established and its headquarters is in Kolkata. Pakistan and Egypt recently renewed cooperation after 15 years. Who is the foreign minister of Egypt who visited Pakistan? So the foreign minister of Egypt is Badr Abde Lati. इजिप्ट की कैपिटल कायरो है एंड करेंसी इजिप्ट की है इजिप्शियन पाउंड। नेक्स्ट है श्रीलंका डिक्लेयर्ड स्टेट ऑफ इमरजेंसी ड्यू टू साइक्लोन दितवा। नेक्स्ट है मैप माई इंडिया पार्टनर विथ विच कंपनी टू इंटीग्रेट इंडिजीनियस लोकेशन इंटेलिजेंट टू सीआरएम सॉफ्टवेयर। जोहो के साथ दिस देयर इज इम्पैक्ट। नेक्स्ट इज हु इनॉग्रेटेड इंडियाज फर्स्ट ग्लोबल एयरक्राफ्ट इंजन एमआरओ फैसिलिटी बाय साफरन इन हैदराबाद। नरेंद्र मोदी हैज इनॉग्रेटेड दिस। हु इज सेट टू चेयर द Institute for Democracy and Electoral Assistance in 2026. This is Gyanesh Kumar. Now, a deadly fire in Hong Kong led to the banning of which construction material? Bamboo scaffolding. South Africa defeated India by 408 runs in a test match held in Guwahati. Next is Prime Minister unveiled a 77-foot statue of Lord Rama in Goa. नेक्स्ट है विच स्टेट पास द प्रोहिबिशन ऑफ पॉलीगैमी बिल 2025 टू बैन द प्रैक्टिस अक्रॉस दी ऑल कम्युनिटीज। दिस इज असम ने लॉन्च किया है। नेक्स्ट इज इंडियाज रैंक इन द एशिया पावर इंडेक्स 2025 थर्ड रैंक है। यूएस एंड चाइना आर अहेड ऑफ इंडिया। विच सिटी विल बी डिक्लेयर्ड एज इंडियाज फर्स्ट इंटीग्रेटेड फाइनेंशियल सिटी। दिस इज अमरावती। UN report के according which city has surpassed Tokyo to become the world's most populous? So this is Jakarta. Okay. Which country unveiled the Michelangelo Dome Advanced Air Defense System? Italy ने reveal किया है। Next is the Indian Global Forum launch a fund of what amount to help the Indian brands go global? So this is a $250 million fund. नेक्स्ट है Who was the costliest pick at the WPL 2026 auction? Deepti Sharma. Next is who was selected for the LNF Literary Award of 2025? This is Velamana Simanna. The Indian Army officially honored martyrs of which operation after 38 years? This is Operation Pavan. Next is according to the UNEP Global Methane Status Report, what is India's rank in the global methane emissions? Third rank है। First and second is India and USA and China. ठीक है। Now यहाँ पे UNEP is headquartered in Nairobi, Kenya. The Haile Gubbi volcano which erupted recently is located in Ethiopia. Addis Ababa is the capital of Ethiopia. ये भी important है and it is also the headquarter of the African Union. ठीक है, important. Next is which state hosted the 5th Khelo India University Games? राजस्थान ने host किया था. Next is which city was recommended as the host for the 2030 Commonwealth Games? This is a very very important question. अहमदाबाद. ठीक है, अहमदाबाद में होने वाला है Commonwealth Games. First Commonwealth Games were held in 1930 in Hamilton, Canada. Next है how many new districts were approved by the Andhra Pradesh government, raising total to 29. So 3 new districts, Polavaram, Markapuram and Madanapalli were made as a new district. Also Andhra Pradesh is the first state to be formed on the linguistic basis. 1953 में Andhra Pradesh was established. Exercise Surya Kiran is a joint military exercise between India and Nepal. Next is G20 summit of 2025 was held at Johannesburg. Next is who was named as the tournament ambassador for ICC Men's T20 World Cup? This is Rohit Sharma. Which country won the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025 title? India ने डिफीट किया था चाइनीज ताइपे को. ठीक है, मेरे हिसाब से अब अगर आपने ये वीडियो यहाँ तक देख लिया ना तो नवंबर मंथ के करंट अफेयर्स के लिए तो आप बहुत कॉन्फिडेंट रहोगे. Next is what was the theme of the Constitution Day? The theme was हमारा संविधान हमारा स्वाभिमान. Important है, ध्यान में रखना है इसको आप. Next is GIFT City aims to position itself as India's equivalent to which global hub for onshoring the intellectual property? This is Guernsey, which is located in United Kingdom. Next, Operation Sagar Bandhu was launched by India to provide relief to Sri Lanka, which was hit by the Ditwa cyclone. The Sujalam Bharat Summit of 2025 was organized by the Ministry of Jal Shakti. This is also very, very important. आपको पता होना चाहिए. Next is the Tiwari Commission report made public in 2025 relates to which historical event? Nellie massacre. Again, which IIM earned the AMBA accreditation in November 2025? This is IIM Ranchi. What was the theme of Kashi Tamil Sangamam 4.0? This is Learn Tamil, Tamil Karkalam. The Electricity Amendment Bill aims to introduce what major changes in distribution? Multiple licenses in the same area. Next is who was sworn as the 53rd Chief Justice. This is Justice Suryakant. Next है the Constitution 131st Amendment Bill pertain to which union territory? So it is related to Chandigarh. Okay. Now with this we have finished the current affair for the month of November 2025. अगर आपने वीडियो यहाँ तक देखी है एंड अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो डू लाइक दिस वीडियो. ठीक है. यू कैन सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल इफ यू आर न्यू and you can obviously download this PDF and you can get this PDF from the Telegram channel, the link to which will be provided in the description of this video. So thank you very much for watching this video and keep studying.